Examples of continuous fields are, now in continuous field in geography, the continuous field, the fields can be discrete or they can be continuous, and fields are a generally way of representation in geography to represent the natural phenomena. The options are air temperature, barometric pressure, soil salinity, elevation, and all of the above. Now what is the answer? The answer is all of the above. All of these are continuous fields. Now fields in geography are the way of representing the geographic fields which are naturally occurring, and those which are continuous without any break, they are called continuous fields. So it can be, fields can be continuous also, it can be discrete also, but the first thing is it has to be naturally occurring. The second thing, it has to give you value at every area location. So it's a continuous domain. Assume that you have a mountain range. Now this mountain range, every point will, if you ask, every point will have certain elevation. So the field value changes gradually over the space. The elevation will be different at the, say, foothill. It will be higher at the peak or the summit. So we have this air temperature as an example of continuous field. This is the air temperature of the world, but even outside this world, the air temperature can be geographic field because it's actually naturally occurring, and every point will give you a air temperature. Same logic goes for, and same explanation goes for the barometric pressure also, because pressure is everywhere and every point can be measured. The pressure can be measured, and since it is a geographic field, it is a continuous field, it's naturally occurring. Then the soil salinity, that is how much say NaCl or salty the soil is. So everywhere it will be different, but you can find out as a natural phenomena everywhere where soil salinity. Same goes with the elevation. If you go to Mars, if you go below the earth or below the water, you will find certain elevation. So elevation is a continuous field, it has certain value and it is naturally occurring.